Case laws. Once you click on case laws, it opens up a database of judgments. From the filtering option above, you can filter out the required relevant judgments. You can search for the relevant case law in the search box and filter options like in favor of, act, court, bench. Once you find a particular judgment, it opens up in a format that helps you identify the relevancy to the matter at hand. 3-line digest, an attempt to provide the essence of the judgment in 3 lines on average. Headnotes, slightly more detailed. This involves facts of the case and the ratio held that helps you realize the relevancy of the case. Facts and held. Once you realize that this is the case law that is relevant to you and you would like to refer to, you are assisted with the facts and held of the case along with the cases referred and paragraph references listing all aspects of the case in detail. With an extensive database on each and every judgment, Taxmann's editorial board ensures that we offer you qualitative headnotes and 3-line digests. Furthermore, the See More option helps you see the following documents related to each case law: case referred, forward case reference, cases on this section, sections involved, and articles on this case.